Hello YouTube, Space Cowboy here. In this video, I'm going to show you some ways that we can assign multiple values to multiple variables, some shortcuts, and also introduce you to what's called the list, which is a very powerful programming structure that you can use and we'll use in a lot of our programs going forward. But basically, Python allows you to assign multiple values to multiple variables in a single line. You just have to make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, otherwise you're going to get an error. So here we've got x comma space y comma space z gets assigned Jasper, Lila, and Finn, and it printed out x, y, and z. So it should assign Jasper to x, Lila to y, and Finn to z, and print them out. So let's see, it should print out Jasper, Lila, Flynn first. Let's run it. And that's exactly what I did. Printed out X, Y, and Z. And then printed out a new line character, which again just drops you down to that next line. There's another way you can do this. So that was assigning different values to different variables. Here, you can actually assign the same value to multiple variables. So here, A gets assigned B, which gets assigned C, which gets assigned Theo. Means that Theo is going to get assigned to A, B, and C. And notice that when we print out A, B, and C, we get Theo, Theo, Theo. Now, this is extremely important, and I'm going to have entire videos about lists and programs that use lists. It's a very, very powerful programming structure. But if you have a collection of values in a list or a tuple, and we'll talk about what tuples are later, Python allows you to extract the values into variables, and this is called unpacking. Okay, so unpacking is not something that I do very often with lists. A lot of times I'll loop through a list or pick items from a list or sort lists, that sort of thing. But here's a list, all right? Fruits. The list is named fruits, and it gets assigned a list of values. What's important about a list is it's surrounded in square brackets, not parentheses, square brackets. And so here I have three strings, apple, banana, and cherry, which are stored in this list named fruits. And then I have, like I had up above, where I assigned multiple values to multiple variables, I have a variable named 1, 2, and 3, which gets assigned fruits, and I print them out. So that is called unpacking. So 1, 2, 3 is getting assigned to that list of fruits, which is apple, banana, and cherry. And notice when I print them out, it prints out 1, 2, 3, which is apple, banana, cherry. Okay. I just want to show you one more thing with lists, and this is just kind of live coding. See how it goes. I'm going to print out a new line, and then I'm going to print out fruits index 0. And that should be apple. So after it prints out apple, banana, cherry, it should print out apple. Oh. I probably need the square braces. Again, this is live coding. We're figuring this out. There we go. Yeah, I needed the square braces. So, an important thing to know about a list is that lists have indexes. And the index starts at 0. Okay, so apple is actually at index 0, and then banana is at 1, cherry is at 2. So just something to keep in mind. Again, I'm going to have a whole video about lists in the future. But that's all I got for this one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.